I hope by this time we all finished the knowledge check questions, and let's together go over them. So the first questions, what are the 5 job characteristics? Let's talk about the first option right here. We have varieties, promotion, peer identities, and feedback. So varieties, identities, and feedback sounds nice, right? But what about promotions and peers? Promotion and peer actually the job motivation factor instead of the 5 job characteristics, and that is the reason why this is not a incorrect. This is not an correct answer. Talk about this one: varieties, identities, work, pay, and knowledge of results. So varieties, identities, that is correct. But what about work environment and pay? Well, work environment and pay also is the job satisfaction factors. What about knowledge and results? This sounds familiar because it's actually the psychological mechanisms that which is covered from the previous video. This is the reason why this answer is incorrect. Let's talk about the third option right here. Varieties, correct. Identities, correct. Significant, correct. Autonomy, correct. Feedback, correct. So this is incorrect questions. Okay, let's go to the next questions. True or false, feedbacks from the 5 job characteristic is a formal appraisals from superiors. I feel like a lot of us will choose true, and it is wrong. The reason is that remember feedbacks from the job characteristic theories, it is not the feedbacks that you receive once or twice a year from your boss or from your colleagues or customers. This feedback actually every day and come from the work itself. And this is why the correct answer for this question is false. True or false, a high JCT score means the lower level of job satisfactions. Hope that you still remember JCT's mean, job characteristics theories. We have these equations from the previous video, and the higher JCT, the higher level of job satisfactions. And that is the reason why the correct answer would be false. All right, the last questions. Which of the following is the outcome of a good job design? Let's go over all of the options right here. It doesn't matter. This is obviously incorrect because a good job design is actually matters. Let's talk about this one: high turnover and low absenteeism. So high turnover, if is it a nice and interesting, a good job, then why would we want to quit, right? So this is the reason why it is the wrong answer. What about low quality performance? So if a good job design, then people actually perform very well instead of a low quality performance. So another incorrect answers. That left us with this answer: high work motivations and high work satisfactions. Correct. Okay, well done. You have finished our first knowledge check.